Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you some linear equations, some equations that will make straight lines on a graph. So I'm going to just make up a little example. Let's say you get $2 a day pocket money. I'm just going to write that down. $2 a day pocket money. And let's say that goes for 4 days. 4 days. Let's see if we can do a table of values for that first, and then we'll do our graph. So, as per all table of values, you'll have your X and your Y, and we're going to go from 1 day all the way up to 4 days. And I'm just going to draw a line in between. Yes, you want all your table of values to be nice and neat. Okay, we've done the ruling. So now we will put down the values. After 0 days, I haven't started getting any pocket money yet, so it's still going to be 0. After 1 day, I get $2. And then I'll get another $2 on top of that, which will make it 4. Another 2 that makes it 6. Another 2 that makes it 8. So X is the number of days, and Y is the total number of dollars. Now I'm going to draw a graph. Okay, so I've drawn my graph, and as we can see, I put a little x-axis near my x-axis, y at the y, and make sure that my numbers are pretty much close to the lines. Okay, that makes it a lot easier for me to put my points where I want. Okay, my first point, we'll go in green, will be at 0, 0. X coordinate of 0, y coordinate of 0. 0, 0 will be the origin, right here. The next one will be at 1, 2. 1, 2. X coordinate of 1, y coordinate of 2. 1, 2. And then you just keep doing that with your other coordinates. 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. And then I can just draw a straight line through all of those dots. And this will be the equation y equals 2x. Okay? The reason being is no matter what x is, y will be double it. 2 times x. When x was 1, we doubled it. When x was 2, we doubled it, and so forth. Obviously, this example is a little bit limited because you can't exactly have negative numbers here. You can't have negative 2 days of getting your pocket money. It doesn't make as much sense. But for these next questions, I'll already get given this. I just then need to end up making a table of values. So all it means is I'm going to get an equation, and then I've got to substitute these different x values for the letter x here. Okay? Okay, so continuing on, we're going to use x values in between -3 and 3, and we're going to be using this equation, y equals x take 1. So I'm going to draw my little table of values. Minus x, y, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there's my table of values. And now for actually solving this. So, like I just mentioned, we've got to substitute the x value to figure out the y value. So we put this -3 in place of that x. So it's going to be y equals -3 -1. instead of x minus 1 will be minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 take 1 will be minus 4. And then that answer which I've just obtained will go down here. Now I've got to do the same, but for the next number, minus 2. Y equals minus 2 minus 1 equals minus 3. And then I'll put that answer down. One more. Y equals, next one will be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 equals minus 2. So minus 2 will be the answer that I'll put over here. We should probably see that there's a bit of a pattern. It's going up by 1 every time. If you're ever unsure about the pattern, you can just do all the numbers and you can see for yourself. Sometimes it won't always follow a super easy to see pattern. Let's do another one. How about y equals x plus 3? Y equals x plus 3. So I'll just make another table of values. Okay, here we go. This time, substituting in the value for x. So it's not, instead of it being 2x, which means 2 times x, it's going to be 2 times minus 3. Y equals 2 times minus 3. And then, continuing on with the equation, like it says here, take 3. I've got to do that next. 2 times minus 3 will be minus 6. Minus 6 take 3 will be minus 9. Remember to use a calculator if you're a little bit unsure of some of these. Minus 9 is my answer. Minus 9 goes here. For the next one, y equals 2x, 2 times, we've already done minus 3, now we're doing minus 2. 2 times minus 2, minus 3, because that's what the equation up here says. We always have to do the minus 3, equals 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, take 3 will be minus 7. So that means the minus 7 goes over here, underneath the minus 2. That reminds me, I forgot the line. Okay, one more. Y equals 2 times, or up to minus 1, sorry. Minus 1. Take 3 equals 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Take 3 will make minus 5. Therefore, my minus 5 goes over here. Do we notice a pattern? I think it's going up by 2 every time. I'm going to do one more just to make sure. y equals 2 times 0 minus 3. 2 times 0, anything times 0 is going to be the same. It's going to be 0. Take 3 equals minus 3. Hey, look, it has just gone up by 2 again. Let's say that pattern is continuing. So there we go. That's how to do some of these little linear equations, filling up table of values. Just let me know if you've got any questions. Just leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.